I thought you prided yourself in your punctuality. You're late.
I came as fast as I could. I'm not as young as I used to be.
You better be prepared for this. The Legion won't go easy on you if you're too weak to fight.
Don't worry, brother. I may be old, but I have the elements to aid me.
Warriors, ready your blades! The Burning Legion has rallied their vile demons outside the very gates of Orgrimmar! They seek to weaken the forces of Azeroth by hitting them where they hurt. We will show them their arrogance with bloodied steel! Strike fear into these demons when you slaughter their wretched kind! Let them remember your face as they breathe their last! Many of you die this day, but you will die with the glory of knowing you held the line against the Legion when they had the audacity to invade our home! Show them that Azeroth is protected and shall not fall! We are the vanguard of their demise! Loktar Ogar, warriors! For the Horde! For the Horde! For the Horde!
Just like old times.
Don't get yourself killed out there, old wolf.
After all these years, it will take more than a demon to be the end of me.
You're with the ancestors now, old wolf.